Hello and welcome to this video on the easiest gazebos to put up. If you're in the market for a new gazebo, there are several factors to consider that can affect how easy it is to put up. These include the size and weight of the gazebo, the material and durability, the ease of assembly instructions, and the available tools and resources. Now let's take a look at some of the top contenders for the title of easiest gazebo to put up. Option 1. Pop-up gazebos are designed to be easy to put up and take down, often in just a few minutes. They are lightweight and portable, making them a great option for quick and easy outdoor events or gatherings. However, they may not be as durable as some of the other types of gazebos. Option 2. Metal frame gazebos, with pre-attached panels, are a step up in terms of durability and sturdiness. They usually come in pieces that can be easily snapped or screwed together, making the assembly process straightforward. Some models may even come with pre-attached screens or curtains for added convenience. Option 3. Gazebos with pre-assembled sections offer the ultimate in ease of assembly. These types of gazebos come with the main structure already put together, leaving only the roof and any additional features to be assembled. This can save a significant amount of time and effort. No matter which option you choose, be sure to follow the assembly instructions carefully to ensure proper setup and safety. We hope this video has helped you find the easiest gazebo to put up for your outdoor space. Thanks for watching.